As we've been saying, today is Go Orange Day, so we want to see your orange photos. We've been getting a bunch in so far this morning.
We have so many photos already. This is all to help Second Harvest Food Bank fight to end hunger. Again, here's how you can help. Upload a photo of yourself wearing orange to WMTV15news.com/orange. Each photo submitted provides up to 10 bags of groceries, all thanks to the Alliant Energy Foundation. Our goal today, 500 photos, so we do need your help. Go Orange Day is part of Hunger Action Month. We look forward to seeing everyone bright in their orange this morning, and we've already got some photos, don't we?
Let's take a look at some of those. Oh, love this with the pumpkin. So thank you so much for sharing these photos with us. So to do this, you upload your photos to WMTV15news.com/orange, and if you upload a photo, it might appear on the news this morning.
Yeah, we do want to celebrate some of our furry friends who are celebrating Go Orange Day. These are golden retrievers, but they got this orange glow to them, don't they? With the sun shining bright. This is Rosa and Ripley, and their owner Ashley says every day they're orange.
Yeah, pretty dogs here. And a big thank you to Stella, or Rhonda, Stella's owner, for sending in this photo of Stella. She's looking a little unsure. A little unsure about that orange.
Are you sure about this orange, Mom?
But you know what? It's for a good cause,
Yes.
Stella. So keep rocking that orange. Send a photo of you or your pup wearing orange today. We'll keep them coming.